mystery box. I bought this one again at my local thrift store, and I'm excited. I want to just jump into this box. It's a little one, it's a little guy. We're gonna jump in and just see what we have. Hopefully the lighting's okay. I didn't want it too bright, so let me brighten it. Okay, that's better. I also didn't want it too dark. Yeah, so we are gonna just dive into this little case. It's taped right here. I feel like I do already see some statement pieces in here. Okay. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the jar again. This just has a little leftover beads. Alright, I'm excited. Okay, so you know what? I think I'm just gonna leave it in here, not put it in the jar. This is what it looks like. Okay. So the first thing in here is definitely a statement piece. It is this big old red gold I don't know where I'd wear this to, but it's cute. It's just very like old style. I used to be into this. I was one of those. What was it, like 2016? It's cute. It is really cute. Yeah, so that's cute. I don't know. If one of you guys wants it, let me know. I'm gonna put the do not keep and the keep pile on this side. Ooh. So I've been eyeing a lot of green jewelry lately. I don't know what it is about green. It looks beautiful. This is pretty. Stuck. So it's kind of like stuck, but it is so pretty. You know what? I'm gonna keep this. There will come a day that I need a statement piece, and I'm gonna wear this. Look how pretty that is. The chain is a little worn. Maybe pick it up a little higher. That's cute. Love it. It's really pretty actually. I don't know how much the container was. I want to say about $6, but it is cute. I'm gonna keep it. All right, the next thing in here is this orange thing. Maybe cute for Halloween. Black, white, orange. I'm gonna put it in the not keep. Next is this little pearl diamond gold chain. It's kind of cute. It's a statement piece, but I'm not gonna keep it. Alright, next thing in here is this long chain with a pink little bead cluster. It's really cute. Maybe like with a long dress. I'm gonna keep it. It's cute. We'll keep it. Then we have this. Oh, how funny. I feel like something should have gone. Something's missing, but it's full of little beads. It's like a cage. And in here too, it has beads. It's a statement piece. It's missing something. I'm not gonna keep it, but cool concept. Next we have this. Oh, I like the jewels. This is cute for fall. I wouldn't wear it, but I'm gonna keep it so I can give it to somebody maybe. It's really cute. I like it. Ooh, this person really likes statement pieces. And I've been eyeing this color also, like a mint. Oh, it's missing one. That's why they got rid of it. But it was cute. I'm not gonna keep it. Then we have this little choker type of necklace. These are really old school. I'm not gonna keep it. It's not my style, but it is cute. It's missing a piece. Okay, next we have another long chain. Oh yeah. Confused. Okay, so this is the chain. It is really pretty. I personally will never wear it, but it is really pretty. If one of you guys wants it, let me know. It's cute. Then we have, I bet you this went on the end of the cage thing. Right? But anyway, you can make your own jewelry. Then we have this. It probably was like a button or something. Okay, and now we have this little chain. Okay, again, it's another cute little dangly thing. Again, I will never, I couldn't see myself wearing it. It is really cute. I like that it's simple, it's gold, it's white. You never know. I'm gonna go ahead and keep it. No, I'm not gonna keep it. But it's cute. It's really cute. I'm not gonna keep it. Then we just have a gold chain with a little diamond thing. Again, I'm not gonna keep it. But that is it, guys. So the thing that I'm gonna keep, I do like it. This is so pretty. This, you never know, might grow on me. I might need it for like an outfit or something. And then this one is cute. If I don't give it away, I might use it. I don't know. I don't actually own not any jewelry, so I feel like I used to have a lot of things like this and I got rid of them because they annoyed me, but I'm gonna just keep them around. You never know. They're cute. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.